Here's my video review of the Yang CSL strobe timing light, equivalent to a 60-watt bulb. I'm going to explain some of the features of this unit. This is how it came in the box. Let's open it up here. Here is the remote. And the unit itself in bubble wrap. And an included instruction sheet, which we're going to go over. A US grounded plug. So this is safe to use outdoors. This is also waterproof, and you can see on the back it has a nice arm that you can mount on a wall, and this is all aluminum, looks like. Not aluminum, but some kind of a steel, a high stainless steel possibly. Let's talk about some of the features that makes this unique. This is the only one on Amazon right now that has separate white LEDs in addition to the red, green, and blue. So it has 10 watts of red, green, and blue, and 10 watts of warm white independent LED and drive circuits in there. And that's kind of unique function for this. And it's equivalent to a 60-watt bulb. This is the IR sensor right there. It's called the IP66. It generates 14 colors, and it has 4 modes: flash, strobe, fade, and smooth. And also comes with an 18-month warranty, which is unusual for a product like this. So we're going to test this thing out and see how it looks, and maybe measure some of the lux output of this. I've got a lux meter just to get a reference here. So I'm going to plug this in to I got a watt meter right here, which will give me the amps and kilowatt hours. So when I first turned it on, it's in some kind of mode automatically, and you can see it cycling through the colors, and it's drawing only 0.04 of an amp, which is 0.02 kilowatt hour. So you can see it's very efficient. Now let's take a look at what it's doing right now. This is probably one of the modes. This is probably the flash mode, because it's going between the different colors, as you can see. Now, to get the different modes, we're going to see what we have to do with this remote. There's a piece of plastic right here that should be removed, and that will allow the battery to be connected. Let's just try this. So I hit the white button, and you could see a very bright, soft white light comes on. In fact, I'm kind of blinded from it. And then there's the red, orange, yellow, and there's different versions of yellow on there. Then you have an off button, and let's see, I'm going to have to turn this a little bit away because I'm having trouble seeing the remote here. So let's see, let's find the on button. Right, here's the on button, and it goes back to the previous mode. There's purple, blue, a reddish color, different levels of red, and you could also adjust the brightness. There's a brightness control, which is really nice. And again, you go right back to the white. And then there's 4 modes on the side here. There's flash, and that's going to go and cycle between the 14 different colors. And then there is strobe, which is this button right here. That's nice. Strobing through the different 14 colors. Then there's fade, which is this button right here. And look at that, it's fading really cool between the different colors. And the final one, smooth. I'm not sure we'll see a difference on that, but this is smooth. So it's taking its time and it's going between the colors very, very slowly. That's pretty neat. Now there's a timer function on here to allow you to, on the bottom there's a little timer symbol on here. And it's got two different times shown. I'm going to have to read to see how to use that. So I have a lux meter set up 6 inches away from the light, and I have it measuring the white light. It's 4400 lux, 4300 lux. And that's pretty bright, you know, that's equivalent to 60 watts, just like they're saying, so that's a good sign. I want to point something out. When you go to the strobe mode, which is right there, there's a new function that's on here, and these don't control the brightness anymore. They control the rate of the strobe, so you can increase it or decrease it. So you can see I have it on the fastest strobing mode right here, and then if I hit the down button, the strobing mode goes slower. That function is only available in the strobe mode, not in the other modes of the white or the different colors. So I'm going to show you one of the timing functions that I figured out looking at the display. You've got two different timers on the bottom. The left one is what you push when you want the light to stay on for a given amount of hours. So if you push it once, the light's going to stay on for 1 hour. So when I push it, you see the light blinks, signifying 1 hour. So now this will stay on for 1 hour. If I hit it 2 times, it'll blink twice, and that'll stay on for 2 hours. And vice versa, if I hit it 4 times, the light's going to blink 4 times, and now this light will stay on for 4 hours. If I'm understanding this correctly, the timer function, this one I just showed, is for any given time you want to extend it based on how many times you push this to be in hours. And this works the same way, except this will repeat the function on a daily basis. So if the time right now was 7:30 at night and I click this right button once, then the light will stay on for 1 hour from 7:30 to 8:30 every day. This is just a way to do it on the spot, where it will be 1 hour right now or 2 hours. But if you want it to repeat every 24 hours, this is what you do. So if I hit that twice at 8 o'clock, the light will come on from 8 till 10 every 24 hours. If you hit any other one of these buttons, it will cancel that program. So always set up your mode that you want first, and then set up the timing second. And then it'll do it every 24 hours. That's really nice. So what are my overall impressions of this light? This IP66 from Yang CSL. I really like the product. Seems very good quality. Looks like it's totally waterproof. I see heat sinks on the back right here. Comes with a nice mounting plate. Very nice quality. I like the fact that it has an included remote with that 24-hour timing function, or that immediate timing function button right there. You've got brightness controls in 4 different modes, and also all these different color options to choose from. So I'm going to give this a full 5-star rating on my video review channel, and I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.